Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And it's extremely hot outside. So I am thinking of making some yogurt. And this is the yogurt I made. And I will blend it with some drained yogurt so that it is not so thin and not so rich. And I will put jam in it, so it's kind of a lassi. My family bought mango lassi and the whole family liked it, so I was thinking making some strawberry lassi, some passion fruit lassi, and I have different kind of fruit jam and syrup. So this will be the best way to use it, to make it a drinking yogurt. So let's take a look. So I am in the middle of making yogurt with mon yaourt maison onctueux, so my homemade yogurt and creamy style. So for this I will need a container. Now let's take a look. And one little pot of yogurt. Okay, let's take a look. So I have marmalade, and this marmalade has a lot of orange skin, so it's not so good for the blender. And I will use something relatively smooth, and this is called peach party. So I have peach, I have some marmalade juice, not I drain it and only use the bitterness of the marmalade. Okay, now you can see a little bit closer. So this is the marmalade and the peach, and I have a mango jam. I have a golden plum from our backyard, and lemon and blackberry and a little bit strawberry. Yeah, it's kind of a kitchen sink. It's everything that when I make jam, sometimes I make several different kind of jam, and at the end each one have a little bit left over, more or less. I use those things to make this peach party, and my son called it peach party. I think it's a smart name. It's beach party, peach party. So it's a little bit peachy and even passion fruit, and it's very quite a sour, sweet and sour, has quite a strong flavor. So I put my yogurt in, and this is the yogurt. They are already quite condensed, but I want it even more condensed, so I drain this yogurt. Purely this drained yogurt will be a little bit too much. You do not want it so condensed. So you get a big spoonful of it. So I'm sorry if you are not seeing it. Okay, I will zoom in a little bit. So you get a big spoonful of it. This has been drained for something like 2 hours. Yeah. So it's more condensed than not drained, but it's less condensed than the totally drained. And then I put some jam. You see this jam, there is some pieces. There is some pieces, but mostly they are already blended. I use a blender, blend it. Now I will blend it now. Okay, let's see now. It's a little bit more than drinking yogurt, but it's so good. I should put a little bit more, but you get the idea. You decide how much you want to put. Maybe another. Make it pretty, right? Oh my. Oh, that's too much. And this jam has a little bit of this peach skin. I blended, but still have a little bit texture. It's just add some interest in your tongue. It's amuse-bouche. It's the enjoyment, the fun of your tongue, the texture. That's good. Enjoy.